Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to learn how to program, or how to be a better programmer, or how to combat and defend against malicious software and hackers? When I was a student, I wish I had known someone who could have shown me a simple, easy way to do the things. If you feel the same way, then this is the right channel for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Rafeeq. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a professor of computer science here in the US. I have about 18 years of experience teaching computer science. On my channel, I will teach you to program using Java and C++, starting from scratch all the way up to advanced level. I will also teach one of the hottest fields in the world today, cybersecurity. I'll introduce you to the basics of artificial intelligence as well. I'm gonna post a new video on these subjects every 2 weeks on Sundays. My videos will be clear and logical and easy to follow. I think you will find them both educational and enjoyable. I hope you join me. Be sure to subscribe for new content, and do not forget to introduce yourself in the comment section below. Thank you.